how to cast your phone to your TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to cast your phone to your TV, it's really simple. So, let's first, I'm going to go to YouTube and then choose a video, and there you'll see the cast option right there. You just have to tap on it. It's on the right hand side, and you can see link with TV code or AirPlay and Bluetooth device. So you can either just link with TV code. You'll have a TV code right on your TV. You can find it and put in the code, or you can use AirPlay or Bluetooth devices. What you can do to use AirPlay is swipe down the notification bar from the right side, access the control center, and then you will see two square boxes like icon. Tap on it and then screen mirroring will be on. So now you'll find the available devices right there, and then you just have to tap on the device that you want to cast your phone to, and then that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.